Today we're going to be looking at adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing decimals. In your GCSE, one of your papers will be non-calculator. It is essential to know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide integers and decimals confidently. The working out shown is wrong. Can you spot why? The student has not lined up the ones and tens correctly. The 24 should be under the 32 in the 532. You can now add the columns to find the answer. Let's go through these questions. For this question, we can start by writing out the numbers into columns. We start on the right, 9 take away 3, which is 6. We can't do 5 take away 6, so we need to take one from the 2 to make 15. 15 take away 6 is 9, and then 1 take away 1 is 0, so our answer is 0.96. It is extremely difficult to multiply decimals, so we start by converting them into integers or whole numbers. We can multiply each of these decimals by 100 to do this. We can now work out 35 times 398 with whichever method you like the most. I'll be using the grid method. For the grid method, we split the hundreds, tens and ones for each number at the top and left of the grid. Then we do 300 times 30. And 300 times 5, 90 times 30, 90 times 5, 8 times 30 and 8 times 5. To do 300 times 30, all I did was 3 times 3 and then noticed that there were 3 zeros, so 9,000. Next we need to add up all the numbers inside the grid. Now our answer to 35 times 398 would be 13,930, but that's not what the question was. The question was 0.35 times 3.98. Whatever we did with that original question, we need to undo. Instead of timesing by 100, we need to divide by 100, then divide by 100, which will give us the answer of 1.3930, or 1.393. For this question, we can use the bus stop method. We work out how many 3's go into 1. Well, none. So we need to carry that 1 over. How many 3's go into 10? Well, 3 whole ones, and then 1 remainder. So the 1 carries on. How many 3's in 16? 5 whole ones, and again 1 remainder. How many 3's in 14? 4 whole ones, and 2 remainders. How many 3's in 24? 8 whole ones. So our answer is 3.548. Let's finish with this. Sammy multiplies 1.02 by 99.3 and gets the answer of 1012.86. Without working it out, explain how you know this is incorrect. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can also come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all our GCSE papers and predictions for free, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.